Hello, everyone. Amber with Social Speak Network. I want to share with you about our 6-month group coaching. We've been talking about this for a while now, and a lot of people don't know if they need it or not. And I want to talk to you a little bit more about what it is. I know when I say it's a 6-month course, people kind of like, oh God, 6 months is how can I commit to that? I don't even know what's going on next month. But how many of us have a business and want more business and want to grow our email list and really want to understand how to utilize digital marketing to benefit our business? I know that that's how we were. We needed to find our target market. We wanted to reach more people outside of the cities we lived in. You know, the one great thing about having a business that you could do anywhere is your clients can be anywhere. So you're thinking big picture. And how do you get those people to sign up for your email list? What are you offering them? And I think that that's one of the things that, we are really good at being able to coach you in this 6-month training. So each month we cover a new topic. The first month we really talk about who is your target market, what are your goals, how do you see social media and digital marketing working for your business, and figuring out what your niche is. So we may have a target market. Ours may be moms between the ages of 35 and 45. But within those moms, we may have the mompreneurs that own a business, that they've been in business for 3+ years, and it's always been a hobby to them, their business, but they're ready to take it to the next level and actually start making money with it. So that may be a niche for us within our target market. So really understanding who your target market is. The second month we cover what is a content upgrade. And this is something, it could be a digital download, a content upgrade, and this is something that I think this is the game changer, because how many of us have been on a website and have entered in our name and email to get something free, whether it was maybe a checklist or a PDF, an ebook, a video series, a free consultation, a free pass, whatever it may be. We've all signed up for something. And that's key, because how many of us have signed up for something and wondered, I wonder how that could work for my business. I wonder how I can grow my email list. I have a PDF or I have a download that would help people. Maybe it's 10 ways to a gluten-free diet. Maybe it's 10 tips for this. It could be a spring cleaning checklist. It can be a home staging checklist for realtors. Whatever it may be, that's kind of what you want to be thinking of. And so we show you how to actually create that product, the processes and the tools that you need, understanding landing pages, how they work, how to create them, and how to embed that sign-up form on your website. So we take you deep and down and dive into the nitty-gritty, and we make that complex problem simple so you understand it and you can replicate it after your first product. The next thing is we talk about blogging, which is huge, but if you don't know what you're talking about or your target market, then how are you supposed to write content that's going to attract those people to your website? So we talk about blogging, we talk about SEO, we talk about conducting your keyword research. So figuring out what are those key phrases that people are searching for. What are those keywords that you want to be talking about that need to be in all your social media descriptions, that need to be on your website, that people are searching for, and how do you speak to your target market, your audience, with these keywords? And also, once you write this blog post, we put a lot of information on the Social Speak Network website. And one of my favorite blogs, Caitlin wrote, and it's how to make to write a 2,500 word blog post, how to make that process simple and easy. And I kid you not, it makes it so much easier following those steps. So we teach you how to do that. Then we go into, obviously, social media. If you don't have a product or service to market, then social media, you're putting the egg before the chicken, maybe the cherry on top is what my saying is. What once you have that content upgrade or digital download that people can sign up for, you then have something that you can write about, that you can promote, that's being able to be measurable, and you can see the results of people signing up for it. So then we talk about that social media, how to grow your network, how to grow your email list, how to run ads on Pinterest and Instagram. We talk a little bit on Facebook as well. Utilizing social media as a part of your sales cycle. So how does this become a part of, now you know the people, you've built that relationship with them, and how do we bring it to the next level of being able to get business from social media? We go into building a content calendar. You can't really put a content calendar together if you don't know what you're going to be talking about, if you don't know who your target market is, you don't know what those maybe awareness months are, those trends that you need to be talking about. So we'll talk about, and we'll show you, we'll give you the tools you need to put these content calendars together. Engaging with your followers on different networks. How do you communicate with them? How do you start the conversation? How do you monitor your social media so you're not missing out on everything? And that's the biggest thing, because we're all busy. And how many times have you just looked at your Facebook and you have 300 notifications? That doesn't even include LinkedIn or Pinterest or Instagram. That's just Facebook, not even Twitter or anything like that. So we're going to teach you how to monitor those things and make sure that you're not missing out on those conversations. Last but not least, we give you the tools to make sure that you're managing your marketing efforts correctly and efficiently. We review your marketing process. We hold your hand every step of the way. This small group coaching is, we say small, it's only 3 to 5 business owners at a time that we let into these groups, because we want to make sure that you are getting the attention you deserve and you need, because a lot of times you may say, okay, I need help writing copy. How do I even write a drip campaign? How do I know what email needs to say what thing? When do I follow up with them? And we teach you that. We walk you through each step. And then what does your plan look like moving forward? So this program is perfect for people that have an online business that they're ready to take to the next level. This is also good if you have a business partner. We let you guys in the group together at one price, which is huge. You guys both get to do the class, but what we have found when you have a partner is you have that accountability. You can bounce those ideas off of each other, so you know exactly, okay, hey, I'm thinking about this. Oh, I was thinking the same thing. And stuff gets done. And I love when you're able to check something off your list and you're able to say, complete, task complete. And that is what we want. We want to take you from the idea phase to the implementation phase. And we're here for you step by step. So we do have a class that's starting next week. It's $250 a month, and this is the last time that it's going to be offered that low. We see such a difference in our clients that are in our first group already, and what they've learned and what they've been able to implement and the ideas they've come up with. And we are so excited to be able to help our next group of business owners. So if you are interested in signing up, you could go to socialspeaknetwork.com, and underneath the work with us, you could go to group coaching and sign up there. If you have questions, please let us know. You can email us at socialspeaknetwork@gmail.com. You can Facebook us, you can Instagram us, you can whatever you want. We're here for you. We're going to answer the questions. You are going to walk away with a complete system that you have lifetime access to. So if you're starting a business today, and let's say 6 months, a year, you start another business or you add another product or service to your business, you have the tools that you can replicate. And that is key, that you're learning something, you're walking away with a complete digital marketing strategy. So we look forward to having you in our next class. And if you have questions, let us know. Thank you.